What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix the problem of TikTok phone number already used. So when you're facing the problem, when you try to link a phone number, it's gonna say TikTok phone number already in use. So what this problem means is if you're trying to enter a phone number which is already linked with a TikTok account, then it's gonna show you this. And the only way to fix this problem is to unlink the phone number from the TikTok account. So for an example, let's say I have linked a phone number in this TikTok account and I want to link the same phone number in another TikTok account. It's not going to work. You can only link one phone number in one TikTok account. So if you want to link that same phone number into another TikTok account, you need to remove that number from one TikTok account. And once that number is not linked with any TikTok account, then only you can add it to your newer one. And to remove a phone number from TikTok, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, click on Russ's profile over here and click on this three line and then go on manage account. And Russ's phone number, click on phone number. Once you click on it, click on unlink phone and this number will be removed from your TikTok account. And once this number is removed from your TikTok account, you can add it to another TikTok account. But until and unless you do this, by this I mean until and unless you remove this phone number from your current TikTok account, you can't add it to any other one, alright? So one phone number equals to one TikTok account. You can't add one phone number into two accounts. So just keep this in mind. And with that said, if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then. Peace out. Have a nice day.